The power of eyes. Have you ever noticed how someone's eyes can say so much without uttering a single word? Maybe someone once looked at you with a gentle smile, and that one glance filled your heart with sweetness, making your entire day feel brighter. And maybe there was also a time when someone gave you a stern look, and suddenly you felt uneasy. That single glance shook your confidence in a moment. Friends, this is the true power of the eyes. Eyes are not just a tool to see the world. They are the mirror of the soul, and even a brief look from them can reveal so much about you to others. Think about it. Have you ever looked into someone's eyes during a conversation and felt as if they could read all your truths? That feeling is something beyond words, isn't it? Eye contact. It's not just a habit, it's a language that works without words. Sometimes it expresses love, sometimes it shows fear, and sometimes it sparks deep curiosity. And honestly, many doors in life open just because of this one skill. Because people often trust not your words, but the honesty and confidence that reflect in your eyes. How eye contact changes perception. Fear is the biggest barrier. Think about it. Whenever you stand in a meeting or step on a stage, what comes to your mind? People will laugh. I'll look weird. Everyone will judge me. But the truth is, every successful person has felt the same at the beginning. Your fear lives only in your mind. I still remember the first time I tried to speak on stage. The words came to my lips, but my voice didn't come out. I was sweating, my hands were shaking, and I stayed silent. But that very day I told myself, if I don't speak, how will I ever learn? Always remember, making mistakes is not weakness. It's the greatest strength to learn. If you're not afraid of making mistakes, nothing in the world can stop you. The beginning of confidence. Confidence is not magic, it's built step by step. Just like a child learns to walk, falls down, gets up, and tries again. In the same way, confidence comes through practice. Start with small moments. Talk to a friend while maintaining eye contact. Share your opinion in a small meeting. Stand in front of a mirror and speak for just 2 minutes. Remember, confidence doesn't mean being perfect. Confidence means speaking even when you're scared. When you take small steps, your mind starts telling you, yes, I can do this. And those little yes moments help you win against the biggest no's in life. The best way to build confidence is simple. Practice, practice, and only practice. The connection of eye contact and confidence. Have you ever noticed? When someone looks directly into your eyes while speaking, how do you feel? You immediately think, this person is so confident. That's the power of eye contact. Eye contact is not just about looking. It's the biggest proof of your confidence. Whether it's an interview, a meeting, or even a relationship, when you look into someone's eyes, you silently send a message. I'm trustworthy. I believe in what I'm saying. But here's the difference. Eye contact doesn't mean staring. It means looking with honesty and self-belief. Many people avoid eyes, look down, or glance here and there. This makes the other person feel like you're nervous or hiding something. So always remember, eye contact is the language of confidence. It's the voice that speaks volumes, even without words. Practical tips for powerful eye contact. Improving eye contact isn't difficult, but you need some practical tricks. 1. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror for 2 minutes every day and talk to yourself. Look into your eyes and say short sentences like, I can do this, I am confident. Slowly, your gaze will become stronger. 2. The 50 to 70% rule. While speaking, don't stare 100% of the time. Maintain eye contact for about 50 to 70% of the conversation. This balance makes your confidence look natural. 3. Switch between eyes. Instead of staring straight, shift your gaze naturally between the right and left eye. This keeps the other person comfortable and builds stronger connection. 4. Smile with your eyes. If your gaze is too hard, people may feel pressured. But if there's a slight smile in your eyes, people feel comfort and trust. 5. Start with small conversations. Before big meetings or public speaking, practice in small situations, like chatting with a shopkeeper or joking with a friend. Step by step, it becomes a natural habit. Always remember, eye contact is a skill. And like any skill, it can be mastered with practice. Let me tell you a story. This is the story of a boy named Daniel. Daniel was intelligent, good at studies, but he had one big weakness. He could never look into anyone's eyes while talking. In class, whenever the teacher asked him a question, he looked down. When he talked with friends, he looked here and there. People thought Daniel was shy or lacked confidence. One day, a big opportunity came into his life. The owner of a company visited the college to interact with students. Daniel got a chance too, but when the owner asked him a question, Daniel looked down and answered slowly. Afterward, the owner said, "Son, your answer was correct, but your eyes didn't convince me that you can be trusted." These words struck Daniel deeply. That day, he decided to work on his eye contact. He started practicing in front of the mirror every day. In small conversations, he slowly learned to maintain eye contact. Within a few months, his entire personality changed. Later, when the same owner visited the college again, Daniel was standing in the front, this time with steady eyes, a smile, and full confidence. The owner said, "Now I see the spark in you that a true leader must have." And friends, that's the power of eye contact. It can change your identity, your relationships, and your entire life. Eye contact in leadership and relationships. Friends, eye contact isn't just about personal confidence. It's the key to leadership and relationships. Eye contact in leadership. Think about it. When a leader stands on stage and speaks to thousands and each person feels he's talking directly to me, how does that connection happen? It's not just through words, it's through eye contact. Eye contact makes a leader more trustworthy. People think, yes, this person is genuine. He stands behind his words. That's why great speakers, politicians, and CEOs use the power of their eyes. Eye contact in relationships. Now let's talk about relationships. Have you noticed that when someone looks at you with love, you understand their feelings without a single word? A mother's gaze, a partner's gaze, or a friend's gaze. They all create heart-to-heart connections. Eye contact builds the foundation of trust and understanding in relationships. When you look into someone's eyes while speaking, you show, "I am here. I am listening. I understand you." So always remember, eye contact not only boosts your confidence, it deepens your relationships and makes you a stronger leader. Common mistakes people make with eye contact. So far, we've learned how powerful eye contact is. But the truth is, most people use it the wrong way. Let's talk about the common mistakes you must avoid. 1. Staring too long. Some people think constant staring shows confidence, but it only makes the other person uncomfortable. Remember, eye contact should feel natural, not like pressure. 2. Looking away too often. Another mistake is constantly looking down or shifting your gaze. This shows insecurity or nervousness. Feels like you don't even believe in your own words. 3. Eye contact with a fake smile. Some people look into the eyes but pair it with a forced smile. This feels even more fake. Show only the smile that comes from your heart. 4. Avoiding eye contact completely. The biggest mistake is avoiding eye contact altogether. This makes you appear weak and lacking personality strength. 5. Ignoring cultural sensitivity. Eye contact doesn't mean the same everywhere. In some cultures, direct eye contact means respect, while in others it may be seen as rude. So always understand the situation and cultural context before using eye contact. Now it's your turn. From today, whenever you talk to someone, don't just use your words, connect with your eyes, because your eyes will make you unforgettable, and they will define your confidence. If this video added value to your life, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you never miss more life-changing content like this.